Hey there! Today, we're diving into an important topic for entrepreneurs and business owners: client acquisition strategies. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to attract and retain high-value clients. So, let's jump right in. Imagine this: you've worked hard to establish your business and provide exceptional products or services. Now, you're ready to take it to the next level by attracting those high-value clients who can truly elevate your success. But how do you go about it? First and foremost, it's essential to understand your target audience. Who are these high-value clients you want to attract? What are their pain points, desires, and motivations? Conduct thorough market research to gain insights into their needs and preferences. This will guide your messaging and marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about attracting clients. One effective strategy is to showcase your expertise. Position yourself as a thought leader in your industry by creating valuable content that educates and solves problems for your target audience. Share your knowledge through blog posts, videos, or podcasts. This not only establishes credibility but also attracts high-value clients who are seeking experts like you. Next, don't underestimate the power of referrals. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to their networks. Offer incentives, such as discounts or rewards, to motivate them to spread the word about your business. Remember, 68% of consumers are willing to refer name brands to a friend, millennial marketing. Now, let's shift our focus to client retention. Acquiring new clients is important, but retaining high-value clients is equally crucial. One key strategy is to provide exceptional customer service. Go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Remember, increasing customer retention rates by just 5% can boost profits by 25% to 95%, Harvard Business Review. Another effective tactic is to personalize the client experience. Show genuine interest in their needs and preferences. Tailor your offerings to meet their specific requirements. Personalization leads to stronger relationships and increases the likelihood of long-term partnerships. Lastly, never underestimate the power of staying connected. Regularly engage with your clients through newsletters, social media, or exclusive events. By nurturing these relationships, you'll foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. So, there you have it. By implementing these client acquisition strategies, you can attract and retain those high-value clients that will take your business to new heights. Remember to understand your audience, showcase your expertise, leverage referrals, provide exceptional service, personalize the experience, and stay connected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies to grow your business.